decent size little shaft. So we had a cyclone that came down the coast, and that has now well and truly gone, which has taken all of the crappy weather away. So we have awesome weather for the weekend, and we're heading over to Hinchinbrook Island to go camping for one night.
Very scary.
The boat is really full.
It's so full. We got heaps of fuel, fully loaded. So let's see how the boat goes fully loaded.
See if we get on the plane.
See if we get on the plane. Might be a long trip over.
Do you like our little home?
Pretty good.
It's pretty good. Nice view of Mount Bowen. And our little boat, which we're going to get in a second and move because we don't like where it is.
So we're here at Macushla, South Macushla, and we're in this little shelter because the proper campsite that is a little croc fence is have been sort of taken over by another group of campers. So we're just going to set up in here so we're not walking through their camp every time we want to get to our boat. So and now we're going to go do some fishing, hopefully catch something.
So we've decided to go for a bit of an explore and not fish too much because the tide's actually going out and we don't get stuck in a creek with crocodiles. But it's so nice and calm here, as you can see. So I think we're going to attempt to go around the eastern side, which is like the ocean side. Aren't you glad I built us a boat?
Yeah, thanks, babe.
Anytime. Anytime. Yeah. I'm a good boat builder. So we've come around to the eastern side of Hinchinbrook and we are where the old resort used to be.
Cape Richards, I think it is.
We think it's called Cape Richards, we're not sure, but it is beautiful. It looks like it's straight out of a movie. And I don't know if it's like a lie and someone's told it to us just to make us look like idiots, but apparently there's like a nudist resort here. That could be complete bullshit, but it's a fun fact for you. Look, Jamie, there's our next boat.
When are we robbing a bank? Let's go right now.
Wait, that's a decent sized little shaft.
Good little shaft.
Oh, don't get our rods. Oh well.
The taxman strikes again. So we're camped just down here. And we just come down to this creek over here. This creek, I think it is. So we're not having much luck here in the creek. We're using these little new froggies we just bought. Frog lures. There doesn't seem to be much around. You look very snazzy in your fishing outfit.
It's not a fishing outfit. It's a casting outfit. How's the water?
I had a bit too much sun today. Cooked my
Why?
little
What did
brain.
you do? What did you do?
I was walking around in my boxes.
For how long? For how long?
Too long. There was fish going, so it's all good. So this is our first time anchoring a boat overnight. Never done it before. I had a quick YouTube last night at like 8 o'clock, and this is how people do it. So in there, off the anchor, I'll go this side.
Hang on.
I'm cooked.
Many drinks have been had by me, and Jamie is cooked.
So the anchor basically connects directly to a stainless steel ring with the two buoys on it. And then I've got a rope from the bow of the TINNY, and it passes through the stainless steel ring and then comes to what we've got here. We've got a sand anchor buried in the beach. So that's our anchor for the boat. Well, our land anchor. So you use 2 anchor points for this setup. You got one in the water, which holds the boat, and then this one which holds your lines. So you've got that, and then you've got this other line which is attached to stern. And basically this setup is so that in the morning when the tide's high, we don't have to swim out to get the boat because there's heaps of mud geckos here, crocodiles, lizards. So basically what you do is you loosen off the bow rope, and then you can pull on the stern rope and the boat will come to you. And then if you want to send it out there again, you just pull on the bow rope and you let the stern rope go. And it's basically like a pulley system without pulleys. So yeah, hopefully our boat doesn't end up on those big rocks over there. Otherwise the guy on YouTube will fucking get it, eh?
Oh no, babe. I didn't press record.
Are you kidding? So here's the chain connected to the anchor, which is buried in here. And then I've also got a little fail-safe rope here that is connected to the chain with a shackle, and I've tied it off to a tree down there. So if the anchor does drag for whatever reason, shouldn't drag, I've hung off it and it doesn't move. If it did pull, the tree will save the day, like trees do. And so basically this can only fail if the anchor that is in the water drags. And Nikki did the splice for that, so if it drags, she's getting left on the island tomorrow.
That's fine. I'll stay here.
No, so it should be all good.
It's a good island.
I got a big anchor in there, but the chain is only 2 meters long. I want to get some longer chain. Like I say, it's our first time doing this, and we're not the best anchorers.
Excuse me.
Wankers. At the best of times, but yeah, it should be right. We're gonna get up at like 12 o'clock and check on it, which is high tide. We worked out the tide, so you can see these sticks in the beach here. That's the highest that the tide is going to be tonight. So we're anchored well above the high tide line. So yeah, we should be all good, eh? You know. I caught a little cod before, that was exciting.
No, he didn't.
Yeah, you got it on the drone. I had my towel on like I was from the Middle East, reeling in the beast from the depths.
It was a tiny little cod that he
trapped
back
rock
in.
Cod, but yeah, it's good to catch something, eh? Better than catching herpes. This happy little guy is a shovel-nosed shark. It's kind of like a like a stingray top to shark, and that's what you get.
Torrid affair.
Well, these are good hooks. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Get heaps of those around here. Last time we came here, we lost like 23 hooks in a day and a half, but that's alright. We had plenty of beers to drink in the rain. But yeah, there's heaps of those guys, and just those little reef sharks as well. Cool, let's catch another one. Just walk past my bait, and there's a crab in the bag. What are you doing, crab? Get out of the bag. There's a Mr. Krabs.
He's like yummy, 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 yummy. Oh, he's trying to dig.
Yeah. Oh, he can get out now. How was your day, babe?
The day was pretty good.
Pretty good? Pretty awesome. Good way to end it. Well, we might sign off for the night, eh, Cole?
Yeah.
If you don't see us, we didn't catch any fish.
And we died.
And what?
And we died.
Yeah, we might get eaten by crocodiles. We're not in the crocodile fence enclosure this evening, so we might see in the morning. We might not.
Or we might not, because we might be dead. Yeah.
Yeah, mate. Yeah, mate. Don't do that face. It's okay.
This morning, Jamie's already throwing the cast net. I need coffee. The only coffee we have are milk coffees. Okay, so we've left our campsite because we only stayed for one night, but we don't want to go home just yet, so we're going to explore the creeks on Hinchinbrook Island. There's like 9 all in a row, 9 or 8. What is it?
Heaps.
Heaps. And we'll probably go for the walk across to Zoe Bay. I think it's, no, not Zoe Bay. What's it called?
Ramsey Bay.
Ramsey Bay. We'll go for a walk over to Ramsey Bay, which is the start of the Thorsburn walk. And yeah, see if we can see any lizards. So we're here, we're about to start our 4-day hike. We bought a carton of gold and some Vegemite sandwiches because we're Aussie and that's all we need. We're gonna do it in thongs and bare feet. North Queenslander.
We get smashed by sandflies, so let's get on the beach.
Yep.
Not a soul on the beach.
Do I look like I should rob a bank? Give me all your money for my yacht.
This is Ramsey Beach. This is the start of the Thorsbourne Trail. Pretty cool. Top spot. What do you got?
Fossilized little crab.
Fossilized crab.
Yeah. You can see him in there.
Cool.
Isn't this like one of only a few beaches in the world that has fossilized crabs and picnics?
Yeah, apparently.
If we got that wrong, we'll get a phone call from Brad telling us.
Should we make a move?
Let's make a move.
Go try and catch some fish today?
See how many lures we can lose.
Yeah.
That's us. Camping on the island was amazing. Can't wait to do it again. I think probably Gould Garden Island next time. We are heading back in now. Gonna put the boat back on the trailer, head home and clean it because it is covered in salt, sand, fish guts. Unfortunately from bait, not from fish we caught. Didn't actually lose any lures, which was nice.
That was a good little trip. Good
Yeah.
little overnighter, not far from home.
No, it was really good. It was probably about half an hour to get there from home,
Yeah.
if that.
Didn't use much fuel doing it, so yeah, awesome. I think it's about 20 k's out that campsite from the port, so yeah, nice and close.
Anyway, we're off. Thanks for watching.
See
Bye.
you next time.